Hello curious, welcome to my channel. My name is Dominique and I share with you my eclectic good life and tips. So today we are going to be talking about how I got myself bigger boobs. Boobs, boobs, boobs. I made sure to have the same t-shirt on, not t-shirt, like it's, what's it called? No, it's a sport attire, whatever. I already had on one of my videos last year, so you could see the difference. And I just want to share these tips with you. It helped me. It might not work for you, but it might work. And I want to say I don't have a push-up breastwear on. Like, I thought to myself, I just realized I could have worn what want to be extra, but there's no fake in my game on YouTube. Okay, so this is my breastwear with a normal, like I can feel my skin when I do like this, can feel my hand behind. So I have 7 good tips for you. I will say 6, but 7, the number 7 I haven't tried, but I've heard of it and I've been hearing of it since 10 to 15 years. I never tried it. If you try number 7 and it worked for you, please share in the comment section so we should all gain. Okay, so now if I turn you will see that I have something like a, I don't know, a mountain, a valley here. Like, this bra is already too small, but it is 2 sizes bigger than what I used to wear. And this is a breastwear I bought because I just loved it. I just love the style. Let me remove it. Like, legit, I can remove it. And then I realized it was too small. I just bought it because I liked it. And you legit see, I loved the how is it called? This mesh. I love the mesh and the detailing here. And because it was like simple, I do not love push-up. Normally I don't like push-up breastwear. So, but now it's going to stay in the cartoon. I don't know. I can be wearing it, and maybe I will gift it to some of my cousins. But here, so let's start with tip number 1. Very simple one is, all those tips here, you don't have to, it's not plastic surgery. It's nothing like a boob job or something. No, I haven't done a boob job, and I don't recommend anybody doing it as well. Okay, body positivity. So if you can do it naturally, why not? If you're happy with your body, it's fine. If you want to increase or optimize your body naturally, it's fine. It's legitimate. So please don't come and be shouting or complaining, hey, let people be natural. I get it. Okay, I get it. So if it is not your video, don't be hard on us. Okay, like from B cup is not the biggest. I don't know if it's the same size everywhere, but it's B, A. The A is the smallest, and then B, number 2, C, D, till, you know what. So then the first thing I always love this period in my life is around your PMS, before your aunt flow, you get bigger boobs. So you might wait for that season in the month and then enjoy the fullness of your of your you know. So I liked it, and I was just like, okay, nature is nice, and I might have a smaller boobs for, I don't know, 3 weeks, and then for 1 week, this is me with my décolleté everywhere. That is the time of the month I always went with open, like, you know, show what you got, and I flaunted it, isn't it? So that's the first tip. Just wait for that period. I know each and every woman, it gets bigger at least for 1 week per month, for 4 out of 4 if you have a regular cycle, isn't it? and maybe you might be happy with that and it's okay and you don't need to do more. So I was quite content with that one. The next tip, if you don't want to wait to get bigger boob, is going to be get pregnant. Pregnant women, they get bigger boob naturally. But on the other side, I think after pregnancy, and if you do breastfeed and exclusively breastfeed, or maybe for 6 to more months, then it's going to be like laba 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 laba. But you had the bigger boobs in the pregnant season or the pregnancy time, and then you take all your pictures, and once in a while you look at the picture and say, oh, back in those days when I had boobs, 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 and then you might be content with that as well. So nature is fair. The next tip is going to be put on weight. But again, it might backfire on you because some women, they put on weight proportional, like everywhere. Some is just the buttocks, some is just the stomach, and some is, it might be somewhere here. I must agree, I'm one of those people. It was okay. So when I put on weight, even my pinky finger gets some of that fat. So if I put on weight, and if you are content with the other part of your body, if you're happy with the other part of your body getting bigger as well as your boobs, then you might also have bigger boobs. But if your body is going to be tricky and get big everywhere, only in that region, then sorry, I can't help you at that level. The next tip, I got this from, I think that woman was 70 or 69, something like that. And she always had this, this workout. She will press her leg like this. Oh, you already see it, how it is getting bigger. So if the muscles under your fat are strong and then they are going to make the whole region look healthier, isn't it? So she will always do like this, it's this movement actually, and there are some hand tools, you press them like this, and it also goes, you can really see in my décolleté there's something happening there. So I asked her, why you are 69 and your boobs are so, like, they are not like a 15-year-old girl boobs, no, but I've seen rags before, and hers were like that. It's just because she was doing that. So from there, I did it too. Sometimes I remember and I do, sometimes I forget, but it is in my mind, and I would say 30 to 50% of the time when I do workout, I think of these pectoral muscles. I hope I'm right. So that's also a tip. Next tip, this one I wasn't expecting it, but it came in handy as I wanted. I didn't want it, but I wasn't mad at naturally having bigger boobs, if it makes any sense to body shaming or body positivity. I am happy. I always love my body. I still love my body. I don't want to find excuses, but it is what it is. Some of us, sometimes we look at it and we say, is it all? So I was doing maca for hormone balancing reasons, and I was surprised at the side effects on my boobs. As a matter of fact, I added at least one size of this bad boy here after maca. I did a video on that. Maybe it should be somewhere here. So maca root powder, that's a compliment I would recommend if you want to have bigger boobs. What I mean bigger boobs is not these Pamela Anderson kind of boobs. I mean just slightly different, okay? And it's not a poison. It is no chemical in it. It's nature. So why not if it helps? Again, don't come after me with body positivity or body shaming issues. Like, I subscribe to all of that. Still, I'm giving these tips out. To whom it might concern. Next one, and this one, it is still a secret. Like, a lot of people, like science are doing researches on it, and it has become so expensive. It is this one. We call it in Cameroon in Jangsang, and it is called in Ivory Coast Akpi. If you have a different name in your country, I will be really pleased to know how you call it in your mother tongues. Please write it. I love it when we have one ground, like we know something like this and it calls different. Please do that for me, I beg. So it is ginseng oil. You do ginseng oil the same way you would do coconut oil. So you do ginseng oil and you mix it with some shea butter. Okay, simple. And then you massage your petal and paw. Okay, you go to petal and you start from here and you massage it always from down to up, like papa 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 papa, like 10 to 15 minutes. It's a real massage. Okay, and with, as I said, ginseng oil combined with shea butter. If you do not want to combine it, go with ginseng oil. Researches are going on this. Like, you can't even buy ginseng now. The price of ginseng is just going like this because Western laboratories or whatever and cosmetic and everything, they have set their eyes on it. So it is still our secret tip, but no long. It's not going to be long. That was tip number 6. Tip number 7. This one I haven't tried it, but I have been hearing this for the longest. I remember when we were young, boys will come at us and say, okay, if you want bigger boobs, let me to your boob, let me TMI, and I'm going to blush. Allow me to allow me on your boobs, isn't it? So supposedly, if a suction and sexual stimulation kind of activities going down around here, they might help. Again, let me know in the comment section if this is true. So I showed you my breasts were like, this is expensive. Let me also tell you, this is expensive to get bigger boobs because you have to change your lingerie. But anyways, yeah, I was pissed because that one was, I love the size, and I had some good nice breasts where they are now out. I have to buy different sizes, and some tops again you have to change them. So be warned, it's not all fun. It's also expensive, which is also good in the hood. Anyways, if you have been watching so far and you have yet subscribed, then I don't know, help your girl out. Subscribe and let me know in the comment section if you have different tips. Like, share with me as well. I might want bigger ones, which I'm not sure of. I don't want it, I'm fine. And yeah, thanks for watching, and stay curious and body positive. Bye. Mwah.